Hey, what's up, speaker files? Wellington here, and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the Sony SRS XB33 going up against the JBL Charge4. As usual, I will be using a high quality. Let's just pretend like nothing was going on, falling all over the place down here. My gosh. I've already done detailed videos about both these speakers in their own respect. So if you're looking to find out everything that each one can do, go watch those videos. I will link to them in the description section down there. For this video, it's a sound battle. We are mainly going to be trying to find out how these two compare sound wise. As usual, I will be using a high quality binaural microphone, so for the best experience, please use headphones. With that said, let us hear the speakers speak.
To make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball.
And there you have it. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down there. Also, the main reason that I make these videos is to help you make a better decision when you're trying to purchase a speaker or something like that. And so in the same spirit, I'm collaborating with Lustre. They make a free browser extension that you can use, and it's really handy if you're in the US first, because currently it's only in the US, but also if you shop on Amazon. Instead of you going through different products that you're looking at and comparing reviews and then jumping over to another product and then compare, like all of that, it just compares everything, like depending on what parameters you have set, it compares everything and brings you the best out of what you're looking for, whichever category of stuff you're looking for, whichever price range that you're looking for. So I encourage you to go install it and give it a shot. Like I said, it is free, and if you don't like it, you can always uninstall it. It's really easy to do. But give it a shot. I'll leave the link to that in the description section down there. Okay, back to this video. These two guys are quite a bit different, I would say. So when it comes to loudness, the SRS XB33 is still maybe slightly louder. It's barely noticeable, but it's slightly louder than the JBL Charge4. So if loudness is your main concern and every dB counts, maybe the SRS XB33 is your guy here. But when it comes to highs, the highs on the JBL Charge4 are not full, like they're not the best highs, but I prefer them over what you get on the SRS XB33. The SRS XB33, like I mentioned in the review videos, the previous video, they are just not very good. So I still prefer the highs of the JBL Charge4 over those of the SRS XB33. The mids on both speakers are about the same, but the Charge4 has slightly open mids. The bass performance is about the same on both speakers again, but again, I kind of like the bass that is coming out of the Charge4. See, I don't know if it's just because of the kind of drivers that they are, but the bass is just not, there's something about it. I can't quite spot, like I can't quite like point to it, but just something about the bass that is coming out of the SRS XB33 that is not very pleasing to my ear. The Charge4 sounds more natural, like its bass sounds more real, more tighter to me than what you're getting on the SRS XB33. So again, I would still pick the bass of the JBL Charge4 over that of the SRS XB33. And then in overall sound, with all of that put together, I still think the JBL Charge4 takes the lead between these two speakers. Most especially at maximum volume, there is not very good separation between all the different frequencies, mids, highs, and bass performance. Well, as you get a little bit more of that on the JBL Charge4. This is a mono speaker, something I don't like very much, and this is a stereo speaker, but from what I'm hearing, I feel like the JBL Charge4 would be a better pick for me between the two speakers. And not to mention, again, I don't like the design of the SRS XB33. Something is not very appealing to me. It's maybe this looks a little bit better, but most especially on the SRS XB43, that one looks even worse. Like, I think the smaller size of the XB33 here looks better than the XB, actually it's right here, like the XB43 here. Look at that thing. It just looks like, I don't know, like super weird, and I'm not into it. The same thing goes for this, but this is because maybe it's because it's smaller, it looks a little bit better, but I'm still not 100% sold by this design. I don't know. It might be the ends here, but it looks cheap, and not into the design. So again, overall, I would pick the JBL Charge4 over the SRS XB33. Anyways, I think that's it for this video. Go on Instagram and follow me over there. Also, go check out the Lustre browser extension. It will help you save money and save you a lot of time searching around on the internet. Also, yes, if you like the video, leave it a like. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. I don't care. Just let me know why you disliked it, okay? Yes, thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.